It's banana time.
Get out.
It's banana time with Hannah.
Go away.
Oh, this isn't worth it. I'll take my business downstairs. It's dark and scary. Light, light. I'm rushing to light. I will not leave my. Hello, Mother. Oh, I thought you were sleeping. Hello. Huh? The 70s show. I know this. Hippie. Cinnamon toast. I would slap my child if they did that. But I would not hurt myself. But I won't have a child. Hi, Gary. He's like a little ape. We're a family of apes. Pop, come here. Roxy. Roxy. Where's my Roxy? Roxy. Roxy. Where's my Roxy girl? Oh, there she is. The beast. Watch. You're too silly. Ah! This is where he hangs out. And I'm not torturing him. This is my brother's room. No, not his room where he sleeps. I'm just coming here. I'm just coming here. He does not like to be disturbed, but I disturb him anyway. Ooh. Ooh. Gonna neuter him so he can be a girl. Go away, you little retarded bird. He's having his time. Was that a yawn? Was that a little kitty yawn? Little kitty yawn? Old man chick? Little old man chick? Old man chick? Shut up! You're on Mr. Tinkle right now. Yikes, I am out.